Hello students and welcome to the lecture. So students, as we know that we have started the financial knowledge and we are covering the banking awareness and the section banking history. Okay. In the previous lecture, we had started with the nationalization phase and we were looking upon the banks which got nationalized in the year of 1969. Alright. And we had completed till you can say the Central Bank of India. Right. So basically today we are going, or in this lecture basically we are going to cover more banks. Okay. So with this note, let's start this lecture. Topic name is financial knowledge, banking awareness. Index is the banking history, what we are going to cover. Alright. And here we go. So now we are going to cover the Indian Bank. Okay. That headquarters lied at Chennai, Tamil Nadu, was established in the year of 1907, known for its strong presence in the southern and western regions of India. Okay, now let's talk about some more facts regarding the Indian Bank. Okay, so basically if we talk about the founder, then the founder was V. Krishnaswamy Iyer. V. Krishnaswamy Iyer. He was the founder of the Indian Bank. Okay. And basically, if we talk about the motive, right? If someone is opening something, someone established something, it means that someone has some motto behind it, right? Motive behind it. So basically, the V. Krishnaswamy Iyer established the Indian Bank in view of Swadeshi movement. In view of Swadeshi movement. Okay. And that was the correct time when the British Urban Hand Bank collapsed. Okay, so there were two main things leads to the formation of Indian Bank by the V. Krishnaswamy Iyer. First thing is that India was experiencing the Swadeshi movement, and thereafter, on the second time, the British Urban Hand Bank was collapsed. So that was an opportunity, and that was the motive behind setting the Indian Bank. Okay, so what do you mean by the Swadeshi movement? Let's have a little bit discussion about it. Okay, so Swadeshi movement was basically started due to the Bengal partition. Bengal partition, what do you mean by it? So basically, if we talk about this particular area, then that area was the Bengal. And before 1905, there was only one Bengal. Okay. In 1905, British Viceroy, whose name was Lord Curzon, he decided to divide the Bengal in two phases. West Bengal and then East Bengal. So there were two Bengals divided by him. Okay. He said, we did it because of the administration purpose. And they claim because the Bengal was too large state to be controlled by a single entity, that's why they divided it. So two states were controlled by the two different authorities. And there will be a administrative efficiency. But that was totally wrong. Basically, the motive behind it was the Hindu-Muslim clash. Or Hindu-Muslim unity, you can say. Most appropriate word. Okay, the western part is basically the Hindu dominated ones. Eastern part is basically the Muslim dominated ones. Okay, before 1905 they were united, but because the Britishers divide them, the Britishers wanted them to get a you can say separation from each other. Okay, in onset of this, the Indians announced the Swadeshi movement in 1907, and the Swadeshi movement was basically focusing on self-reliance goal. It means that the Indian should use the Indian things, and that's why the V. Krishnaswamy Iyer established the Indian Bank. When the British Urban Hind Bank collapsed, then he saw an opportunity to invite the Indians to use the Indian Bank, and that's why he established it. So that was the story behind the establishment of the Indian Bank. Okay, now let's move forward. Thereafter, we have the Bank of India, headquarters at Mumbai, established in 1906, a leading nationalized bank with a rich history. Because who was the founder of this bank? Just guess. The founder was Sir Sesame J. David. Okay, along with prominent industrialists. Alright, so because the Bank of India was specially established by Sir Jaisim J. David along with the prominent industrialists of Bombay, so this bank was basically established to facilitate merchants and traders. Because these are the people who require the banks more than us or normal people. Okay, this is about the Bank of India. Now, the Union Bank of India, headquarters at Mumbai, established in 1995 or 1919, a key player in the Indian banking sector. Okay, let's talk about it. The first is the founder. Founder was Shri Seth Sitaram Porter. Shri Seth Sitaram Porter. He was the founder of the Union Bank of India. Alright, and basically this bank was inaugurated by the Mahatma Gandhi. Alright, this bank was inaugurated by the Mahatma Gandhi. Later, this bank got amalgamated with two major banks, Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank. Because after the reports of RBI, Reserve Bank of India, it was clarified that the Union Bank of India, Andhra Bank of India and Corporation Bank of India are not able to operate on their own. So they required a complete merger with each other. And that's why they got amalgamated. Okay, now let's move forward. Thereafter, we have the Indian Overseas Banks. Established in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, headquarters in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Established in the year of 1937. Major public sector bank with international operations. Because if you see the overseas, so basically it means that it is for non-resident Indians. Mainly to facilitate them. Okay, so if we talk about the founder, then the founder was M. Chidambaram Chettiar. Okay. So the M. Chidambaram Chettiar was the founder. Okay. And if we talk about the initial branches of this bank, then Karaikudi, Madras, and Rangoon near this is also known as Yangon. Alright. So these were the places where it was established. Okay. And if we talk about the main aim, then the main aim was foreign transactions. Because during the 1937, not only the British merchants were in the market, but also the various Indian merchants were also in the market who were growing themselves. That's why for the facilitating of foreign transaction, the Indian Overseas Banks was established by M. Chidambaram Chettiar. Alright. Now let's move forward. Next bank we have is the Bank of Maharashtra. Headquarters at Pune, Maharashtra, established in 1935. Regional bank primarily serving the state of Maharashtra because it was specially established in the Maharashtra. For Maharashtra, you can say. So if we talk about the founders, then basically it was founded by V.G. Kale and D.K. Sathee. These were the founder of the Bank of Maharashtra. And basically, if we talk about the particular significance of this bank, then it is the largest public sector bank in Maharashtra branch wise. So it is the largest bank which having the largest number of branch in the Maharashtra when it's come to the public sector banks, or you can say the government owned banks. All right. Now let's move forward. Thereafter, we have the Dena Bank. Headquarters at Mumbai, established in 1938, got merged with the Bank of Baroda in 2019, which was established in 1908, operational from 1910. Okay, so if we talk about the Dena Bank, then basically that was founded by Devkaran family. Devkaran family was the founder of Dena Bank, and the company name was basically Devkaran Nanji Banking Company. Okay, Devkaran families were basically the founding members, and they founded the bank in the name of Devkaran Nanji Banking Company. Later, this name was changed to the Dena Bank. Okay, remember these details. Now, if we move forward, we will find the Syndicate Bank. Headquarters at Manipal, Karnataka, established in 1925 and merged with Canara Bank in 2020. Okay. So basically, if we talk about the founder, then the founder was Upendra Anantpal. Upendra Anantpal was the founder of Syndicate Bank. Alright. And basically, he was a businessman by the occupation who founded this. Okay. Second member was the Vaman Kudwa. Vaman Kodwa was basically the engineer by occupation. Okay. And the third and the last member was Vaman Kodwa. Okay. And if we talk about the main aim of establishing this bank, then basically it is for the low middle class families. Okay. For the people of low middle class. All right. Now let's move forward. Thereafter, we have the United Commercial Bank. The headquarters are at the Kolkata, West Bengal, established in the year of 1943, and it got merged with the PNB in 1999. The same year we had to fight the Kargil war and we were declared as a victorious. Alright? So remember this detail also. So basically if we talk about the founder of United Commercial Bank, okay, then basically it was founded by a most prominent Indian industrialist, or you can say a most prominent personality of India, whose name was G.D. Birla. G.D. Birla was the founder of United Commercial Bank United Commercial Bank, you can say. Okay. And basically, if we talk about the timing, then it was founded during the Quit India movement. Okay. Now, what is a Quit India movement? Let's have a discussion over it in a short. So basically, students, that was the year of 1939 to the 1945 when the World War II was started. Okay. And on that time, the Britishers who were ruling the India, they want the Indian support. Okay. And in response of this, we demanded the complete independence from the Britain. Then they made several offers for us, like you can say the August offer, which got failed. Thereafter, the Cripps mission came to India, which is also got failed. And after the Cripps mission, the Indian sides launched the Quit India movement, in which we had a famous do and die slogan. Okay. And when the Quit India movement was organizing in India, at the same time, G.D. Birla established the United Commercial Bank. Okay. So remember these details. Thereafter, we have the Allahabad Bank. Headquarters at Kolkata, West Bengal, established in 1865 and merged with the Indian Bank in 2020. Okay. Now, basically, if we talk about this, then it was founded by whom? A group of Europeans who were the founding members of the Allahabad Bank. Okay. And it was the year of 2020 when the Allahabad Bank got merged with the Indian Bank. Okay. Now, let's move forward. So students, after the 1969 nationalization, again in the 1980, the Indian government organized the nationalization of banks event. To nationalize other banks also as per the needs. And then we had a nationalization of banks like the Andhra Bank. So let's talk about the Andhra Bank. Headquarters at Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay. Founded in the 1923. Merged with Union Bank of India 2020. So if most of you will see this, Hyderabad was the capital of Andhra Pradesh, then why it is written as Telangana? Let me tell you one thing. Actually, that was the year of 1940 when the Andhra Pradesh was divided into two separate states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Telangana now having the capital, Hyderabad. Andhra having the capital, Amravati. Okay. Remember these details. Alright. Now come back to the question. So basically it was established in 1923, Hyderabad, Telangana, and it got merged with the Union Bank of India in 2020. In which year? In 2020. Then who was the founder of the Andhra Bank? The founder of the Andhra Bank was a prominent Indian leader, and he was also the part of the Constituent Assembly. His name was Dr. B. Patabi Sitaramaya. B. Patabi Sitaramaya was the founder of that bank. And he was also the part of Constituent Assembly. Okay. So remember these details. Alright. Thereafter, the next bank we had is the Corporation Bank. Headquarters at Mangalore, Karnataka. Established in 1906 and merged with the Union Bank of India in 2020. Alright. So basically, if we talk about the founder of Corporation Bank, then the founder was Khan Bahadur, or you can say Haji Abdullah. Khan Bahadur or Haji Abdullah was the founder of this Corporation Bank, and the founding place was Udupi. Udupi at Karnataka. Okay. And basically, if we talk about the money invested during the formation of this particular bank, then rupees 5,000 was the initial capital used in the formation of this bank. Okay. Thereafter, if we move forward, we find the New Bank of India. Okay. Headquartered at Mangalore, Karnataka. Okay. Now let's move forward. Now we have the New Bank of India. Okay. Which having the headquarters at New Delhi. Established in the year of 1936 and then acquired by the New Bank of Punjab in 1993. Okay. So basically, if we talk about this particular bank, then it was founded by Mulk Raj Kohli in the year of 1936 at Lahore, which is now in the present day of Pakistan. Okay. Thereafter, from Lahore, the headquarters was shifted to the Amritsar. Okay. And from Amritsar to the New Delhi. And even today, the headquarters are at the New Delhi. And it is being acquired by the New Bank of Punjab. Alright. Now let's move forward. Now we have the Oriental Bank of Commerce. Okay. The headquarters are at the New Delhi, established in the year of 1943 and merged with Punjab National Bank in 2020. Okay. So basically, if we talk about this particular bank, then it was founded by Rai Bahadur Lala. Rai Bahadur Lala in the place of Lahore, which is again in the Pakistan. Okay. Thereafter, again the headquarters moved to the Amritsar after the independence, and from Amritsar to the Delhi in 1951. And since then, till the merger, the headquarters are at the New Delhi. Okay. Let's move forward. Now we have the Punjab and Sindh Bank. The headquarters are at New Delhi, established in 1908, and it is stand-alone nationalized bank. It means that it did not merge with anyone and it is still functioning as its own. So basically, it was founded by 3 people. First is Bhai Veer Singh. Okay. Second is Sundar Singh. Okay. And third is Tarlochan Singh. These 3 people were the founding members of the Punjab and Sindh Bank. Okay. And it is basically established to help the people of poorer areas of Punjab. That was the aim behind establishing the Punjab and Sindh Bank. Thereafter, we have the Vijay Bank, headquarters at Bangalore, Karnataka, established in 1931, merged with the Bank of Baroda in 2019. Okay. So if we talk about the Vijay Bank, then it was founded by Shri A.B. Shetty. Shri A.B. Shetty was the founding member of this bank. Alright. And basically, it was established in Dakshina Kannada district. And it was a prominent bank till it's got merged with the Bank of Baroda in 2019. Okay. So students, basically in this lecture, we have done with the nationalization of banks. I hope that you are able to understand the facts and figures we have discussed in this lecture. In the next lecture, we will continue with the banking history, but with a different topic. Till then, just revise all the facts and figures we have discussed in this lecture and be ready for the another lecture. With this note, let's end this lecture and thank you.